Welcome to the announcement of the next YouTubers Hamfest. Hey Frank, play that awesome promo video.
Play that awesome promo video!
Still down from the lack of amateur radio conventions? Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
We've got your back.
We're doing it again.
Join us Friday, May 28th through Sunday the 30th
For the biggest,
The loudest,
The largest.
The most extremist. Wait a minute. Are we all extremists? Who let Frank write this thing? I'm not reading that.
yeah, you can tell Frank I'm not reading that.
What is this? An iPhone release?
I'm not doing it.
Jason did.
I'm not. Don't blame me.
All right, where was I? For the second YouTubers Hamfest around the world.
We'll bring you all the new information about
New radios.
Frequency mode.
Antennas.
The hottest accessories.
And providing the latest information on our hobby.
along with interviews. Blah, blah, blah.
Along with interviews from all our favorite vendors.
So take a break from searching from that random touch lamp that your wife placed in the house and join me.
And me.
And me.
And me. And all of us.
Along with some of the largest.
To the smallest ham radio creators.
From your comfortable and safe place, without worrying about picking up anything unwanted.
Man, I was talking about an extra Bofing antenna. What are you guys got to get your heads out of the gutter there?
Let's all forget about 2020. It's more than 6 months into 2021.
So bring your favorite drink
Or send me mine. I'm good on QRZ.
because we will be doing a happy hour.
I'm gonna bring my cigars.
I'm bringing whiskey.
A good scotch.
I like a good fresca.
Which one of you guys put tea in my whiskey cup?
Join us Friday, May the 28th through to Sunday the 30th.
For your front row seat to the second annual YouTubers Hamfest.
2021.
Stop making the noise.